Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited because today I'm going to show you how to get ready in 5 minutes using hot rollers. I've got a 5-pack here from ConAir and all it takes is 5 rollers and you're out the door. But before I do that, I'm going to recommend today Reese Witherspoon's book, Whiskey in a Teacup. Oh my gosh, she is adorable. She's amazing, and she actually has a hot roller challenge and tips and tricks on hot rollers for the Southern girl. And her hot tip is that you need to put your hot rollers in your car and go for a drive and roll the windows down, and that's how you're gonna dry your hot rollers. I don't always do that, but that's probably a good tip. And also, she recommends Dolly Parton, her favorite person and my favorite person too. Dolly, love you, and I love the movie 9 to 5, so go watch it. Okay, but first thing you do, so I have second day hair. You can do second, third day hair. You take this Oribe Gold Lust dry shampoo and run it all through your hair. I'll do a little shot right here. Just rub it in there on both sides. Get it going. It really gives you body and it makes the curls hold into place. So without further ado, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. So what I do is I take this front section. Oh, and by the way, if you do not have this Sephora little brush, it's adorable. Little brush, it's my favorite brush. So you take it, brush that front section. And this is not your old school way of doing hot rollers, people, because guess what? We're doing it sideways, not up and down. So vertical. Take the piece, front piece, leave the extra end out. You actually don't curl the end of it. Take the little clip and put it in there. You start with the top one, then you divide your hair in half from there, and then you take, I take this piece here, just divide it right there. Take the brush it a little bit, take your roller, and again, vertically put it in there. Leave about 2 inches on the end out, sticking out. Do not roll that, leave it out like that. And just take this and clip it into place, just like that. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Take the same section up here and leaving the back half down. Take it, this part's in there. Take it right there, take your roller, again vertically, halfway through, leaving the end out, and twist it back. I twist them all going in the back direction. Then moving on to this side, take it, brush it a little bit, take your roller, roll it back, just like that, and hold it in place with the clip. And then finally, the last one here, take it just like that. And you put it with the clip it in. And now at this point, I'll go feed the dog or put the laundry in the dryer or whatever. Let them cool. Take a drive in your car with the windows down like Reese says. But anyways, after that, literally, you could just leave them in 2, 3, 4 minutes, whatever. Doesn't even take that long. And then you just start taking them out. I take them out in the exact same order that I put them in. So starting with the front, because you really don't want the front like too crazy, you know. And so you just see that. Look at that. I mean, are you kidding me? And if you have frizzy hair like me, it just calms the hair down. It's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. I do not know why more people don't use hot rollers all the time. So just take it, let it drop right there. And then I'll take it out. Actually, I'll take it out the same way I put it in the same order. And then just take the back out, just like that. Okay, so you've got them out. Now, there's a trick. You run your fingers through your hair, like, you know, to loosen up the waves, right? Loosen them up, move, you know, loosen them up a little, just like that. But I saw this on a YouTube channel. It's called the butterfly. You take both sides of your hair and you lift it up like this and just let it fall. I don't know what the trick is to that, but it just actually separates the curls, and just like that, you're ready to walk out the door. Now, don't forget to subscribe and watch my 5-minute makeup video. So in 10 minutes, you got hair and makeup out the door. So with that, have a great day.